Question 7. Which one of the following compounds is consistent with the following IR spectrum? So the first thing I would notice here is that, well, actually two things. The first thing I can see is that there's no carbonyl. So this is around 1700. So there's no carbonyl present. So there's no C double bond O. So that eliminates compound number 2, which possesses a carbonyl, and eliminates compound number 4 as well. And both of those compounds are carboxylic acids, and I don't see the broad OH stretch that I would see with a carboxylic acid that goes all the way from 3300 to around 2400 wave numbers. But what I do see over here is I do see a big broad stretch. This is 31, 32, 33. So this is around 3350. So this is my OH stretch, but this is an OH stretch from an alcohol. So I have an alcohol for sure. So which compounds are alcohols? So compound 1 has a hydroxyl, so that's an alcohol. Compound 3 is an alcohol. We call that a phenol because it's attached to an aromatic ring. And compound number 5 is also an alcohol. So what other peaks do I see in my spectrum? Well, if I did have compound number 3, if it was compound number 3, that's aromatic. And for an aromatic compound, I should see peaks around 1600 reciprocal centimeters and around 1475. And you can see that maybe I see something around 1475, maybe yeah, maybe no. But then if I go over to 1600, you can see that I don't have anything. That's kind of a crooked line, but I don't have both of those peaks. So therefore, I can eliminate the compound as being aromatic, but I do have a peak here. And if I draw a line down as vertically as I can see that's around a little less than 1650. So we'll say maybe it's around 1640, maybe reciprocal centimeters, without using a ruler. So that would be consistent with a carbon-carbon double bond stretch, but from an alkene. So which compounds contain alkenes? So the only thing left over that has an alkene and would have the hydroxyl would be compound number 5. So because I don't have the necessary peaks for the compound to have the aromatic ring, I can tell that the compound must be compound number 5. Also, I should see the carbon-hydrogen, sp2 carbon-hydrogen stretch around 3100 reciprocal centimeters, so that would be these peaks here. So I would want to label those, so I'll put sp2 ch stretch as well. So you can see that not only do I have the carbon-carbon double bond stretch around 1640, I have the sp2 hybridized carbon-hydrogen stretch at 3100, and I have the broad stretch around 3350, which represents the hydroxyl stretch.